You know, most of us have heard of personal estate planning, but what about business owners? You know, there are so many family-owned businesses in West Michigan. It makes having that succession planning in place critical. And attorney Rose Coonen, she's an expert at estate planning, here to tell us more. Hi, Rose.
Hi.
Thanks for being here. So what happens if a local business owner passes away, or there's a medical emergency and they can't run their business? What happens?
Yeah, well, that's a good question, right? So what could happen is employees might not be able to get in. Paychecks might not be able to be written, right? So the business might
Just
come to a halt.
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's got to be some type of legal planning that,
Right.
that business owners can put into place to make sure that that doesn't happen, right?
Right. So when we work with business owners, we want to make sure they have an emergency plan, right? What if something happens and they can't make it in? Do we have that plan in place? But also that succession plan, right? We all exit at some point, and what does that look like?
Okay, I think there was a show about that called Succession, I'm pretty sure. And we learned that it is very
Right.
important to have that
Right.
set up. So what are the documents? What are things that people should be thinking about now? If they're, say, a mom and pop, they're a business owner, they don't maybe have these legal documents all lined up, what should they be looking to get done?
Right. So they should have those emergency documents. So that could be a power of attorney,
Okay.
Specifically to handle the business so that someone can continue to pay employees and operate the business. But then also making sure that succession plan, that buy-sell agreement, which is like almost like a business prenuptial agreement. Who can take over if they pass away? What does that look like? And so they might have those, but it might be time to take it out and read it and see if it still applies today.
Oh, that's an important point. It's not a set it and forget it type of thing, because life circumstances, of course, change. What's the process like for someone watching this now going, oh my, we should probably do this? How do they start?
So we like to take business owners through a 20-point audit and assessment and see where are you at today and where's the gap for where you should be. So we start with just a call, just to answer any questions, and then can walk them through that process.
And we're talking a 20-point
20-point assessment.
Okay,
Yes.
so obviously it's going to be very thorough, and you're going to dot all the I's and cross all the T's. If that's you, do you have that succession planning in place? Do you have those legal documents, that power of attorney? Because you mentioned power of attorney. A lot of people might think that's an individual thing. It's different for a business.
It's different for the business. We need to specifically include those business accounts.
All right, if that's you, well, I think we should probably send you over to Coonen Law. And there's a QR code right there on your screen that'll bring you right to their website. You can scan that for a free 15-minute phone call. Absolutely no charge. Or call 616-951-1531 or Coonen-law.com.